So how to enable magnification, like that magnification. You can also drag and drop how to enable this magnification. Simply go back to your setting, open your setting, then under setting press on display and bottom corner vision enhancement, and then you can see the magnification enable. Just enable this option. So press on enable, then press on turn on, and where you want to set. Suppose I want to set as accessibility button, or you can set as press side button or volume button. So I am selecting here. Now once you want to enable magnification, press on this icon, press on magnification, then it will be open. You can drag and drop anywhere, and if you want to disable it again, press on this icon and press on this option, then it will be disabled. Thank you. Have a good day.